This is the Aventon Abound, a cargo e-bike that can fit everything, including your kids. In this video, you're gonna get my complete review after testing this out for several weeks. Let's jump right in.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
The Aventon Abound is not your typical electric bike. It's a cargo hauling powerhouse that combines convenience of an e-bike and the practicality of a cargo bike. Today I'll be talking you through its standout features, discussing its performance, and sharing my overall impressions after putting it through the test. Let's start by exploring the impressive features that the Aventon Abound Cargo e-bike brings to the table. The heart of the Abound is its robust 750 watt rear hub motor, delivering ample power for both smooth rides and heavy loads. This motor is designed to handle hills and headwinds with ease, ensuring a reliable and efficient riding experience. One of the standout features of the Abound is its substantial cargo capacity of 440 pounds. With a sturdy rear rack and spacious front basket, this e-bike is well equipped to handle your groceries, gear, kids, and even larger cargo loads. Whether you're running errands around town or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Abound has you covered. The Abound's step-through frame design adds to its accessibility, making it easier to get on and off the bike, even when carrying a load. This thoughtful design element ensures that the Abound is practical for riders of all ages and abilities. Now let's talk about the Aventon Abound performance on the road. The 750 watt rear hub motor provides smooth and constant power, which translates to convenient acceleration and the ability to tackle various terrains effortlessly. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, cruising along bike paths, or even climbing hills, the Abound's motor ensures a reliable and enjoyable ride. Okay, let's go over the controls. On the left-hand side, you have a really nice hand grip here. This elongated end here makes it really comfortable for your palm to sit. You have your front brake here, and you have a throttle, which does work from 0 now, and then you have your control panel next to your display. So on the control panel here, if you hold the plus button up, then the headlight will turn on. You can see it illuminated there, and also the headlight is located underneath this front basket. Now, when I did do the Rad Power bike, if you had the front basket actually mounted to the front, which I thought was a little bit more visible, which was nicer. Holding the plus button up again will turn off the front headlight and make the display brighter. And instead of like levels, pedal assist level 1 through 5, it has Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo. So just a little bit different, but same sort of concept. This also is equipped with turn signals. So if you press that button, then you can see the turn signal is flashing. Or if you press the other side, you can see the turn signal is flashing. I'm going to turn the left one back on, and you can see that back here, we do have a blinking turn signal, which is a nice feature to have, especially on a bike that is designed to carry kids or cargo. So this is definitely helping with rider safety for sure. Looks like the headlight does, or the turn signal does automatically turn off. So it is, I think about 10 blinks, and then it does actually auto shut off, which is great. So you're not just riding around with your turn signal on. Then over here, we have the Aventon phone holder, which is great, especially if you have some GPS navigation here. This is actually fully adjustable, so you can do it horizontally or vertically. Very easy, and it fits most phones as these stretch. It doesn't matter if you have a case on it or not. This is a great addition. If you're gonna buy an Aventon and you need some sort of GPS maps, or you just wanna have your phone here for, let's say, music to entertain the kids sitting in the back, this is a great option for you. Now, your gear shifter is a twist, nicely integrated to this right-hand part of the handlebar. You do have the same sort of hand grip over here that does make it a lot more comfortable for your palm to rest on, and then, of course, your rear brake. When you want to turn the e-bike on, you simply press the button on the battery to wake the battery up, and then from the control panel, you hold the power button until the screen turns on.
The multi-level pedal assist system allows you to customize your riding experience to match your desired level of effort. With multiple power modes, you can effortlessly switch between assistance levels to find the perfect balance between power and pedaling. The design of the Aventon Abound is a fusion of style and practicality. The step-through frame not only adds convenience, but also contributes to the bike's modern and approachable aesthetic. Additionally, the adjustable handlebar heights allows you to tailor the riding position to your comfort. Also, with the handlebars, you are able to fold them down to make moving and storing the e-bike easier. Now let's delve into a few additional details about the Aventon Abound that contribute to its overall appeal. The Abound features a long-lasting battery that offers a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, depending on many factors like terrain, rider weight, assistance level, and temperature. This range makes an excellent choice for both short commutes and extended adventures. The 26-inch wheels equipped with puncture-resistant tires and ensure a smooth ride on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring unpaved paths, the Abound's tires provide reliable traction and comfort. The integrated front and rear lights enhance visibility and safety for the rider, ensuring that you are seen even during low light conditions. This feature is particularly useful when using the Abound for commuting or running errands around town. One design flaw on the bike is the lack of chain slap guard. Right here on the frame you can see that just after my testing it has a scratch here, so some PPF or paint protection film would have been nice right in that area. The dropper seat post is a very nice addition to this e-bike. If you plan to share it with someone, switching between rider heights is very easy and can be done by just lifting the lever. An integrated storage bag is located just underneath the rider's seat and is excellent for storing items while riding. This rather large bag can hold a variety of items including keys, snacks, water bottles, and more. Now, because this is a cargo e-bike, you of course can get these huge bags that go on the back to store groceries, make running to the store that much easier. This thing really is great at hauling. Now let's talk about the price. At $2,200 before taxes and shipping, I do believe that this is a great option for somebody if they're looking for a cargo e-bike. But keep in mind that it can slowly creep up to just under $3,000 depending on the accessories that you do add. In conclusion, the Aventon Abound Cargo e-bike impresses with its practicality, power, and design. Whether you're a commuter or urban explorer, or someone who values convenience and utility, the Abound has the versatility to cater to your needs. If you're in the market for an electric bike that seamlessly integrates cargo capacity with reliable performance, I recommend considering the Aventon Abound by clicking the link right below the like button. Thanks for joining me in this in-depth review of the Aventon Abound Cargo e-bike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more information and exciting content about e-bikes, electric vehicles, self-driving cars, and sustainable transportation. As always, I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mine.